Hello everybody, it's me, Shelby. Yes, it's been a while, a very long time. I am now a sophomore at Ohio State University, the Ohio State University. Sorry to Brutus. I'm here, I'm having a good time. I guess I did transfer from Miami, and now I'm very sick. Been sick for a week straight now. It's been this way for a while, you can tell my voice. I have a very congested state, but that's okay, because I thought might as well do a sick makeup routine or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. I recently saw a video the other day, and I realized just how much YouTubers make, so here I am. I'm just kidding. Now, I like doing this. It's pretty fun. I just thought, might as well. I'm bored. My roommate's gone. I don't want to study for this exam, so I'm like procrastinating in a way. It's okay. So, let's get started. I gotta take my foundation because my skin, no bueno. That's a lot. It's okay. Concealing is necessary. You know, I would love to do one of those voiceovers, like my boyfriend does my voiceover or something. But you know, you gotta have a boyfriend to do that, and as you can tell, no one wants to get with this. I don't even want to get with this. Just kidding, I have. And within a matter of minutes, the ugly duckling turns into a regular duckling. That's the way I like it. You know, if I'm average, I can't disappoint anyone. Plus, you know, like, I can't be good looking all the time. Like, that's exhausting. Like, I gotta have my bad days or bad months, you know, to show people that I can be humble. And I choose that, okay? I choose it. This angle blows. I apologize in advance. I'm just taking some powder, and the camera's slipping. That's okay. This is a good angle anyway, so screw you guys. But we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna put a little blush on to the eyebrow time. Yeah, this sucks. Yeah, not my best work. Okay, we're gonna go to some mascara. This is always hard for me. And that's the look. I'll see you around.